Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how can you fix if live wallpapers not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to use live wallpapers, and you will see that live wallpapers are not working in your new version of iOS. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you fix it. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, scroll it below, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to scroll it down, click on wallpapers. So I can select add new wallpaper, and here is the live photo. So guys, simply you can select your photo from your phone gallery, or you can download live photo from any third-party application or website, and you will see all the live wallpapers here, and you need to select that one, and you can easily set live wallpaper on your iPhone. And guys, if this not working, then no need to worry, you have to go back, and you have to click on general, and you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset all settings. And after this, if still not fix your problem, then you have to open your Apple Support app, select your gadget, scroll it below, click on more, and from here you need to find wallpapers. So guys, if not find, you have to select this one, and here you need to search wallpapers. You need to search it, and guys, after this you need to click on call, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that live wallpapers are not working, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.